Here's another nice Pontiac Firebird Convertible, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one model year 1968. And as you can see, in Verdoro green, which would have been the original color of this car, which you can tell by the data tag. As far as the engine in this one, it is a 400. It was a late 67 built 400 YC block. November 22nd of 67 to be exact. So 400, that is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, and you can check out the data tag, the underside, interior, engine bay, feel free to check out the still pictures. If you look down below this video in the description, click on the link. It'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. That's where you can see the still pictures. And of course, you can feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing's available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation to where you are located at. Riding on the Pontiac Rally style wheels, Pontiac Motor Division center caps, front disc brakes. It does have power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition underneath the hood. As you can see, black vinyl interior. It is a black top. Center console, obviously, with a shifter on the floor. Very nice interior. This AM/FM radio did have the radio working earlier. It is a power top. Power top works. Power top's in nice shape. And again, you can take a look at the still pictures. You want to check all that out. Come around to the rear of this. Beautiful rear end to these with the way the lights are inset. You got the wing. Chrome is in nice shape. Call this a kind of a top end of a driver quality. Up and down the car, see it is nice and straight. Check out the interior, and we'll start her up here too for you so you can hear that 400 run. First of all, let's check out these buckets, vinyl seats. Nice shape. Appears that they have been redone since 1968. Carpeting, door cards. Nice looking car. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Like I said, AM/FM radio, and I did have that working earlier. That's fine. Wipers, by the way, had them going also. It was a little bit cold-blooded earlier when I drove it. Just let her warm up just a tad. Make it a light there for us. Door closes nicely. Come around to the back. Nice little rumble out of that 400. Once again, still pictures. Click on the link down below this video, uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and pause this, check out underneath the hood, and see how it looks. Alright, hood open. You can see nice tightened engine bay. A little chrome on the alternator, valve covers. Done up nice, little polished aluminum, air cleaner, poly carb, auto block intake, power brakes, power steering, as you can see. See how smooth that runs. Once again, HEI ignition. Looks like MSU plug wires. Nice, smooth running car. So feel free to give us a call. Phone number one more time, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com, or click down on the link below this video in the description. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation to where you need this car to go. 1968 Pontiac Firebird Convertible. Original Verdoro green car. Look forward to hearing from you.